It looks so much like the one that Mommy has.
Oh, really?
Actually, that's the color that Mommy wears all the time. I mean, when she's wearing clothes.
She always looked elegant, yeah.
It's not the best red for you and your coloring.
This red?
Yeah, it isn't. I don't think it is.
It's not, because I've worn it for a long time. I mean, I always thought that it suited me. I see what you mean.
Yeah, right? You see how your hair, it looks sort of, it's sort of a muddy, the red turns it kind of mud.
I don't know why I always thought that it looked good on me. That's really crazy. You know, I've worn it for such a long time. When I think about all the events I've been to, and I've worn this color. And then, do you know how long I've been wearing this color? Since I moved in with Father, I was wearing this color.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow. Wow.
What is that? What? Because I moved in with Father, and so I wore a color that I associated with my mother so that I could
We're running out of time.
Wait a second. Spend so much time trying to be like my mother. That makes me rethink. I don't want to have to rethink everything. Could I have had children all this time?
Oh, you're still there. I've muted you. I can't hear you at all.
Well, then unmute me. Unmute me. I can't do this anymore. I have to figure out a way to...
Sure.
I mean, I don't understand. It's as if my sister did this on purpose.
Well...
You know what? I think that's what it is, though. This is her form of rendition, this psychotherapy that she
I'm sure it feels that
commits.
way. No, it sounds like she was trying to help you, and it kind of came
Well, am I helped? No, I'm not.
Right.
I'm not helped.
Right.
This was her doing. This is something that she wanted to do to me. Right. So none of this has anything to do with me at all.
Yeah, although, you know, when two sisters...
No, stop talking, Jerome, because I'm fixing myself right now, all right? Don't you see that? This has nothing to do with me. This is about her wanting to destroy me. And so I'm just simply not going to let that happen, that's all.
Well, if you can come from a place of forgiveness, I know that Haley
But I have to punish her for this, for sure. So that she never does it again. It needs to be a lesson to her.
Right.
About doing this. I have to save everyone from her, in a way.
I'll come up and get the red pajamas.
No, don't come anywhere near me. I'm keeping this and everything else, because Jerome, red is my color.